How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hey everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Google Photos on your device. Now select your photo and tap on Edit. Now scroll to the right and tap on Tools. Now click on Blur. Now tap on Done. Now tap on Adjust. Now scroll to the right and select Sharpness. Now increase the sharpness and tap on Done. Now tap on Save Copy. Now go back to your home screen and open up WhatsApp. Now tap on three dots and click on Settings. Now tap on your profile picture. Tap on the camera icon and select Gallery. Now select the photo and tap on Done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.